Edwin Fatlila from class 2D Management, NIM 202111173. Ethics as a foundation of management, a valuable resource, or a relic in the times of crisis. Abstract. Following rules of activity resulting from ethical norms established in given society may be one of source of a competitive advantage, though it can be presumed that not everybody is aware of the necessity as well of advantage connected with activity running this way. In this aspect, the aim of the article to show police businessmen attitude towards challenge following from handling business in accord with ethics. All their article also discussion hearing pertain to the topic of business ethics. Empirical data presented in this paper were gathered by the authors during 410 interviews about ethics that were conducted with businessmen running small and middle firms. The main intention was to determine if obeying ethics rules is a real value from entrepreneurs. From obtained result, the conclusion that police businessmen declare the importance of ethics in their activity, but in practice, the bulk of them does not remember any rules and does not recognize ethics as a footing of business can be drawn out. Introduction. The present crisis is commonly referred to as a crisis of truth. What exactly is meant by trust? It can be said that trust is a belief in conduct of others as well as in rules governing social life. We believe that norms constitute a significant part of human life, and thus are us voluntarily follow commonly accepted standards that can be generally referred to as ethical behavior. When we consider crisis of truth of the economic spread, it means there is lack of truth is the conduct of local authorities, the government and business entities, as well as consumer behaviors which hinders decision-making process and adopting certain attitude. It seems that the bigger a corporation, the more complicated are its dealings and the more difficult it is to attain transparency. It may be there before and assumes that the crisis of truth refers rather to large entities than smaller ones which offer a direct contact with their consumer. As a turnout, problems with ethics do not revolve solely around entrepreneurs' attitude, but also around their company resources, which include staff. It has been found that personnel who don't trust their employers' work unwilling concerns over ethical operation in business are becoming more and more important in times of economic crisis. So companies, irrespective of their size and business value, follow commonly accepted norms in times of danger. Moreover, given the deteriorating market, so the continue to care not only for their profits but also for social needs. Modern management schools say yes to this question. The idea of sustainable development and CSR also concur with this view. Not everyone, however, agrees with this approach. Let's use recount of farmers actually by Friedman, in which the other state that promotion of a pro-social attitude and care about common well-being is simpler and discussed than advertisement of socialism. At the same time, such promoter undermine free market and the right to dispose of one's property, the very essence of business. If we agree with this view, it should come as no surprise that business people are obviously against good business, which personally means not only honest practice but also green ones. Socially means behavior are frequently forehead by activity consumer group as by the media. However, they are not able to influence everything. Therefore, entrepreneurs might but do not need to follow social expectations. On the other hand, it seems the need to behave ethically lets they come in for open critiques. The borderline between these two attitudes is exclusive, but most definitely it just exists. This therefore, the aim of this paper to present attitude of Polish businessmen toward ethics relate problem and challenge. Conclusions will reflect upon the real value of ethics in business. The discussion focus put on the fundamental question of what is not allowed in business as well as problems related to attitude towards the environment and poor people. The comments reflect the decline in the market, but also the socio-economic transformation that Poland, a former communist country, has experienced. The theological issue discussion pertain to the topic of business ethics. Empirical data present in this paper were gathered by the author during interview about ethics that were conducted with entrepreneurs. The choice of response was not random. The interview were conducted with owner and manager from small and medium-sized enterprise who agreed to the interview. The research was of qualitative nature and reflects response opinions about the crisis of ethical norms in their business dealing, as well as the background of their job attitude. Research method. Research unit analysis is Polish SMI. Particularly, the manager study was done to investigate manager ethics for this purpose. Survey study was designed and questionnaire was developed and research instrument. Prior to develop questionnaire, ethics management should be understood perfectly. Ethics is frequently defined as a set of moral principles that control or influence people's behavior. Ethics is understood as a set of terms defining what is good and what is wrong at a given time for a particular group in people. Significantly, ethics in management or ethics at business is plans in the voluntary commitments category, i.e., it was considered to be only a voluntary group ethics. A conclusion may be drawn: the business ethic is a set of rules that might be followed or taught, not necessarily as a does not result in negative consequences. With regards to above definition, for instance, with development to explore ethics, namely: number one, in general, such companies care about the environment and thus your company care about it. Number two, what does your company do to protect the environment? Number three, should people share with the needy? And last, number four, how important is ethics in business? In addition to this question, it was also collection response checks. Towards the existence of norms in business and important behavior in business. Response are police SMIs managers. Data collection was done by personal interview, considering the questions are in open form. Further data collect was tabulated and displayed using graph. Result and discussion. Ethics according to police SMI assumption and research result. Society is influenced not only by large marketing entities, but also by small and medium-sized firms. Currently, consumers expect companies, irrespective of their size, to offer good products and their corporate and employees fair. It means that just as every person has certain commitments toward their communities, analogically, each business should release certain obligations so that the could participate in socially live in an activity ethical and responsibility way. It is true for all forms of activity can be reflected in various types of social commitment. Respond to business forum. Based on the above mentioned assumption, it has been researched if business people share this view. If we agree that the crisis achieves the longest in entrepreneurs and consumers hit it should therefore be assumed that it will end no sooner than we people have accepted in it and not when companies profit increase the key element in their trust in market because the majority were to believe in and follow the principles and seek confirmation that these rules are being followed. This is why the current crisis has triggered growing expectation toward business reliability, which includes corruptibility, fairness, solidarity, and honesty. Ethics in management applies mainly to manager behavior, the way they fulfill their duties toward employees, shareholders, supervisors, and the community they are either champion or was after. It is worth mentioning that is Poland the category of SME encompasses micro companies. In order to investigate attitude of Polish businessmen toward ethics, due to geographical limitation and the adopt research method or results should be treated conclusively. They can however, serve as training point for further research. Research sample. The vast majority of the enterprise interview operate in the service shapes figure Australia the sample field of operation. As the result show, mean tend to be SMR manager. Discussion. In literature on Ken Finn claims that change in the era post-transformation country ignored the issue of moral principles. One can also read that these accords have progress from primitive socialist to primitive capitalist. It seems that one of the fundamental questions raised by ethics is the relation between the desire to process good and live well versus imperative or social morality. Assuming that infallible ethic is only an unable illusion, a compromise, the need to be found between dictates of ethic and research particularly goods. Based of above-mentioned assumption, we might argue that the interview response did not feel they were an integral element of the environment in which they operate. Such conclusion is drawn from the fact that when answering the questions, what behavior should not be expected in business, not a single person mentioned any environmental issues. It may be treated as a confirmation of rehearsed view who state that transforming countries lost some values and add a negation to awake sensitivity to issues that seemingly do not concern them directly. This assumption is clearly visible when the interview responses are taken into account. 45% of them don't think there are any rules of business. Conclusion. Deliberation research in this paper then to assume that business people constitute a part of their society and therefore should obey social norms. Empirical research proves however that this social imperative does not translate into attitude present by people running small and medium-sized enterprises. The research showed that 45% of the interview respondents believed that there were no rules to play by. Among those who agreed that not everything is all in business, 28% could not name any commonly respected social rule. It could be argued then that Polish business people are not fully confident that ethics is a fundamental value in their operation, although it is hard to determine whether it comes from current economic situation or is related to some other cause. One may see that a large portion of the response was to focus on their own needs rather than social ones. Such attitude should not be fully condemned, as it is commonly believed that an effective business person equity job opportunities provides market over pay tax and aid the development of a particular community, therefore will caring about their own business in a sense the to care about the need of their environment. Current situation, however, allow to advocate ethical business conduct among small and medium-sized ethic managers reflecting the benefit for their companies. As the paper has shown, the literature and practice provides contradictory opinions about the role of ethics in business operation. It is worth mentioning that the less ethical the society, the less ethical the business, irrespective of the current situation, whether it is a bull or bear market. The level of obeying ethical norms is business management depends on general ethical sensitivity displayed by a particular society, which is both conditioned historically and related to current economic situation.